Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. Investors who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 136.82% since we first recommended Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate just 25 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.47% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 53.86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 13.27% to positive 146.98%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of negative 5.32% over the next year, with returns expected to be between negative 90.68% and positive 426.94%. This corresponds to a price range between $0.0359 and $2.03 after a year. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, High volatility in Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at 0.385. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price fell by 4.42% on the last day, Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, from 0.403 to 0.385. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 17.27%, with a day low of 0.370 and a day high of 0.434. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 95.98% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 106 million shares, with a total of 73 million shares bought and sold for approximately $28.31 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $2.64, and the lowest was $0.101. Currently, the price is 85.41%, or $2.25, below the 52-week high, and 95.99%, or $9.21, below the all-time high on the 29th of November, 2018, when the price reached $9.6. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holdings Corporation, with the ticker TNXP, has recently made notable advancements in its development pipeline and regulatory processes. On the 17th of December, the Food and Drug Administration acknowledged the new drug application for TNX-102SL, which is intended for the treatment of fibromyalgia. This development carries significant implications as TNX-102SL has demonstrated promise in 2 statistically significant Phase 3 studies. Just a few days later, on the 23rd of December, Tonix announced that the Food and Drug Administration established a Prescription Drug User Fee Act, goal date of August 15, 2025, for marketing approval of this candidate. These regulatory movements are vital for TNXP, suggesting a potentially favorable trajectory for the company's future. In the short term, the forthcoming goal date could lead to price volatility as investors speculate on the outcomes of the approval. Anticipation surrounding this timeline may create upward pressure on shares, as the market begins to factor in potential future revenue from TNX-102SL. Furthermore, the successful development and approval of TNX-102SL would not only enhance Tonix's market presence, but also bolster investor confidence, which could positively influence the stock price over the long term. Additionally, the company's other initiatives, such as its emphasis on non-narcotic pain relief and presentations at various conferences, are likely to sustain investor interest and provide further catalysts for stock movement. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was reported that Noble Capital Markets rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was noted that Noble Capital also rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, it was reported that Noble Financial assigned TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, it was reported that Craig-Hallum rated TNXP with a hold grade and took a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. The stock of Tonix Pharmaceuticals currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately 457 cents. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around 230 cents. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the stock's development in the near term. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, leading to a decline of 37% thus far. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. It is important to note that volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 144 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 26 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 365 thousandths and 334 thousandths. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at 334 thousandths may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, which is known as volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 63,900ths between its high and low, or 17.27%. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 46.41%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's briefly examine some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric gauges a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is facing financial losses. Even well-established firms go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, persistent negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other developments, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is at $0.403. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at $0.365. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from various analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 23rd of May, 2024, when Treco James carried out an insider purchase of 104,621 shares of stock option. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.363, reflecting a decrease of 5.80%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of December, we anticipate Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open at 1.112 cents and begin trading at 39.6 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.